Is your engine feeling sluggish, drinking more fuel than usual? Or maybe that check engine light just popped on to ruin your day? If you have scanned your vehicle and pulled a P014E code, specifically described as O2 sensor slow response, rich to lean for bank 2 sensor 1, do not panic. But do not ignore it either, because this is something that directly affects how your engine breathes and burns fuel. Let us break down exactly what is happening under the hood. This code is a generic powertrain code, meaning whether you drive a Chevy, Ford, Toyota, or even a Volkswagen, the logic is pretty much the same. When the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, triggers this code, it is telling you that the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2 is being lazy. To be clear, bank 2 is the side of your engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, and sensor 1 is the sensor located right before your catalytic converter. This sensor is crucial because it acts like a nose for your computer, sniffing the exhaust gases. Inside that sensor, there is a zirconium dioxide element protected by a steel housing that compares the oxygen inside your exhaust pipe to the oxygen in the outside air. When everything is working perfectly, that sensor generates a voltage signal that jumps rapidly back and forth between about 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts. It is supposed to be a fast, rhythmic dance. Low voltage means you are running lean with too much air, and high voltage means you are running rich with too much fuel. The computer uses this rapid feedback to constantly adjust your fuel injectors. However, with a P014E code, that sensor is reacting too slowly when the mixture shifts from rich to lean. It is like the sensor is sluggish or falling asleep on the job. This lag prevents your computer from tuning the engine properly, leading to bad gas mileage and potentially damaging your catalytic converter over time. So, how do we fix it? First, do not just throw a new sensor at it immediately. Start with a visual inspection. Pop the hood and trace the wiring for that bank 2 upstream sensor. We are looking for burnt wires from touching hot exhaust pipes or broken connectors. If the wiring looks good, check for exhaust leaks near that sensor, as fresh air getting into the pipe can fool the sensor. If you have a scanner that reads live data, watch the voltage. If it is stuck or moving very slowly, instead of switching rapidly, and you have ruled out exhaust leaks and wiring issues, then chances are high that the sensor itself is coated in carbon, or simply worn out. And replacing it will likely solve your problem and get that check engine light off.